Many people dream of experiencing the Australian lifestyle. Some visit on a tourist visa, hoping to find work and stay longer. Unfortunately, converting a tourist visa to a work permit within Australia is generally not possible. Australian immigration laws are very specific. A tourist visa is for tourism, not for seeking employment. Attempting to work on a tourist visa violates Australian visa conditions. This can have serious consequences. It might lead to visa cancellation and even future entry bans. If you wish to work in Australia, the correct pathway is to apply for the appropriate work visa. This must be done from outside Australia. Don't lose hope. Australia offers several work visa options. Each visa has its own set of requirements and conditions. It's essential to explore these options carefully to determine the best fit for your circumstances. Australia offers a range of work visas to suit different skills and circumstances. The temporary skills shortage on TSS visa, subclass 482, is a popular choice. This visa allows skilled workers to live and work in Australia for up to 4 years. To be eligible, you need a sponsoring employer, at least 2 years of relevant work experience, and meet English language requirements. Another option is the skilled independent visa, subclass 189. This points-tested visa is for skilled workers who want to live and work permanently in Australia. Points are awarded for factors like age, work experience, English language proficiency, and qualifications. For those seeking a shorter working experience, the Working Holiday Visa, subclass 417 or 462, is worth considering. This visa allows young people, usually under 30 or 35 depending on nationality, to travel and work in Australia for up to a year. Lastly, the Employer Nomination Scheme, subclass 186, provides a pathway to permanent residency for skilled workers who have a sponsoring employer. This visa requires a nomination from an approved Australian employer, a specific skill set, and meeting health and character requirements. Applying for an Australian work visa involves several key steps. Before starting, it's vital to identify the appropriate visa that aligns with your skills and circumstances. Research the eligibility criteria, required documents, and processing times for each visa subclass. This information is available on the Department of Home Affairs website. Once you've determined the right visa, the next step is to secure a job offer and employer sponsorship if required. Not all work visas require employer sponsorship, but some do. After receiving a job offer and sponsorship, if applicable, you'll need to leave Australia and apply for the visa from outside the country. This is a crucial step, as applying within Australia on a tourist visa is generally not permitted. Gather all the necessary documents to support your application. Common documents include a valid passport, evidence of qualifications and work experience, English language test results, and police certificates. Section 4. Essential requirements. Meeting the specific requirements for your chosen work visa is critical. Common requirements include age limits, English language proficiency, relevant work experience, and health and character checks. Age restrictions apply to some visas, particularly the Working Holiday Visa. English language proficiency is crucial for most work visas. Accepted English language tests include IELTS, TOEFL, PTE Academic, and Cambridge C1 Advanced. You'll need to achieve a specific score to meet the visa requirements. You must demonstrate your skills and qualifications through relevant work experience and educational qualifications. Some occupations may require a skills assessment from a designated assessing authority. Health and character requirements are essential for all Australian visas. You'll need to undergo a health examination by a panel doctor and provide police certificates from countries where you've lived for 12 months or more in the past 10 years. Section 5. Seeking expert guidance. Navigating Australian immigration law can be complex and challenging. Given the intricacies of the visa application process, seeking professional guidance from a registered migration agent is highly recommended. Registered migration agents are bound by a strict code of conduct and are required to stay up to date with the latest immigration laws and regulations. They can provide invaluable assistance throughout the entire visa application process. A migration agent can assess your individual circumstances, identify the most suitable visa options, and guide you through the application process. They can help you gather the necessary documents, prepare your application, and communicate with the Department of Home Affairs on your behalf. Remember, applying for an Australian work visa is a significant undertaking. By understanding the process, meeting the requirements and seeking expert advice, you can increase your chances of a successful outcome. Good luck with your application.